The word of the day is escalate. Escalate has two forms. You could either say escalate as the verb form, which means to increase in size or importance, to become worse, to become more severe, or to become more intense. And the noun form is escalation, which means the exact same thing. It's pronounced with 3 syllables as the verb form. Escalate. Repeat, escalate. And it has 4 syllables in the noun form. Escalation. Repeat, escalation. So, some examples. Their disagreement quickly escalated to a fight because he lost his temper. Okay, so their disagreement, their verbal disagreement, escalated. It got worse, and they were actually having a physical fight because he lost his temper. He lost his anger and couldn't control it. This neighborhood is so popular that it has caused a significant escalation in real estate prices. So the prices keep going up, they keep getting more intense, they keep going higher. The prices are escalating. So now it's your turn. How would you use escalate in a sentence of your own? Please share your sentence in the comments below. It's a good way to go ahead and practice your English and lock this word into your long-term memory. Well, give the video a thumbs up if you learned something today. It really helps me out, and it helps other students find the video as well. And please remember to hit that red subscribe button so that you can get more English lessons like this every week. And please check out fluencyking.com. We do have a free ebook there that you can check out to learn how to become fluent in English. And you can also check out our full paid course as well. The links for both are in the description box below. As always, happy practicing until next time. Bye guys!